Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into M1 Finance investment account, fast access step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for M1 Finance. Press enter to navigate to the website. On the home page, look for the login button. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your mobile device for the code. Enter the two-factor authentication code in the specified field. Once all fields are filled, click on the Login button. Wait for the page to load. You should now be in your M1 Finance investment account. If you encounter any issues, verify your credentials and try again. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After successfully logging in, you can access your account features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.